Hello friends, a very warm welcome to all of you. Today I will show a easy meal preparation for lazy days or weekends. It's convenient for the mummies and especially for those who are doing work from home during these days. Let's get started. In a mixing bowl, we will mix all the ingredients and we have to marinate the fish. So I am taking 2 tablespoons of curd and 1.5 teaspoon of salt. I am squeezing the lemon now. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice shall be fine for the 4 pieces of fish. Here I am adding a pinch of turmeric powder and half teaspoon of black pepper and paprika. Here comes 1 teaspoon of cumin and coriander powder each, 1 tablespoon of ginger paste and 1 tablespoon of garlic paste. We have to whisk everything very well now. Adding 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. You can add olive oil instead of the white oil. Now we will coat the fishes from its all side in the spices oil and we will put it aside for at least 30 minutes for a good marination. Till the time it's getting marinated, we will prepare the corn and sweet potato. My kiddo is super excited to have this meal and also eager to help me in this. So he just turned on the heat, took a saucepan and put some salt in water and now he is adding the corn to boil. Boil the corn for 10 to 15 minutes. I have taken 3 sweet potato and I am piercing the potatoes by the help of a fork and we have to do it from the all side of the potato. Now I have drained out the water from corn, taking it in a bowl and adding a little piece of butter and some black pepper powder. Then I will mix it and put aside. It's time for the wrapping. Now sweet potato will be wrapped in aluminium foil and then they will go into the air fryer to be baked. When wrapping is going on, meanwhile we have to preheat the air fryer at 200 degrees centigrade for 5 minutes. Now I am putting them in the air fryer. You can do it in oven as well. They will take around 40 to 45 minutes to be baked completely. After 20 minutes, I am turning them on the other side. Now it's done completely. 45 minutes is over. So I will take those out in a plate. Here I have turned the gas burner on and taken a grill pan and now I am putting the marinated fish slowly into it. Flip the other side after 3 minutes. You have to flip it again after 3 minutes when the other side will be done. Like this, it will take approximate 8 to 9 minutes to be grilled well. It's ready to be served now. So I am taking it in a serving bowl. In the meantime, our boiled corn and baked sweet potato is all done. I am splitting the sweet potato from middle. Then I'll put a little piece of butter and some black pepper powder into it. It will taste awesome. All set to go to have a yummy meal. This portion will serve 3 persons. What I felt, the corn was little, so I made some halved rice with my leftover rice. It's super easy to make this rice. You need to take a little vegetable oil and saute some chopped garlic in it, then add some boiled corn and a little mixed herb. Add the rice and a little salt and sugar and mix it thoroughly. That's it. So here comes another set of yummy meal as well. Now you have to choose your favorite one. Enjoy! Do try this at your home on lazy days or weekends and do let me know how it turns. I would always love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please like, comment and share with your family and friends. Stay healthy, stay safe. See you soon.